Explorers of the unknown, welcome back. Let's expand our horizons with today's question.
If your iPhone won't reconnect to Wi-Fi after forgetting the network, first restart your phone and router. Then, carefully re-enter the Wi-Fi password. If that doesn't help, reset your network settings in Settings, General, Reset to clear saved Wi-Fi data. Finally, make sure your iPhone software is up to date to avoid glitches. These quick steps usually fix Wi-Fi connection issues fast.
Your daily dose of discovery ends here, but the journey of learning never stops. Subscribe and join us again for more answers tomorrow.